Hey guys, it's Heather. So today we are doing the journal spreads for Saturday, September 6th, 10th. Saturday, September the 10th. We have kind of four spreads, but two of them are kind of going to be the same. So today's spreads are going to be the Z birthday concert, so the Zini show, and Z's 30th birthday, which I'm going to try to put his birthday at like the end of his double page spread. We have us from Ken Porsche's birthday, and then the food truck battle fan meet. So I think I'm going to do the food truck battle fan meet and us's birthday first, and then we have a double page spread for Z's birthday. So let me find a pen. So let's start with the I think we're going to do us's birthday first. So let's do us's birthday first. And I only have this one picture of us left over from the Ken Porsche birthday spread, or the concert spread, but I think it'll do. So we're going to use the normal birthday washi for him. And I have, of course, over here my, like always, scissors, tape, and tweezers. And then we're going to use silver marker for him this time. And I have pulled out the happy birthday stickers. So, and this will be the second time that we do this journal spreads in this format. Where I do all the spreads from one video or one day in one video, and then we kind of I will timestamp them and put chapters in for everybody so that you can kind of skip to see which ones you want to watch and which ones you don't want to watch. So I'm going to put our washi tape in. And I ripped this one, but I don't really feel like putting a new one down. Which means, because I ripped it, it means that the D is going to be off. But that's okay. Ooh, and I ripped the end of the Y off. Oops. Shh. Okay. And then I think what we're going to do for the birthday stickers is I'm going to put the present on there. The present. And I think we're going to put the party one on here. Sometimes these, like, can't tell, they kind of get faded. This one's a little faded. Okay. I always feel like birthday spreads are boring, but I always like to do it for people's birthday. Okay. And I did pull out the, oh no, I didn't pull them out. Never mind. So that is it for our first spread. So that's for us's birthday. Okay, so that's it for us's birthday. Now our next spread is going to be for the Food Truck Battle fan meet, which I thought was on the 2nd. Turned out it was on the 10th. So sorry, I got distracted. So we have that. So I have red and blue washi tape for this spread, and we're going to kind of interchange with red and blue. And then I pulled out some like red shapes, some diamond shapes, and I have my different food stickers, which has, like, I have these, and you have like bubble teas and Japanese foods and sweets and stuff in here. So we'll kind of see what we can do. So first, we're going to write our date. I think we're going to use the red. Okay. Pew. We're going to put our photo down. And has any of you guys actually watched Food Truck Battle on YouTube? I haven't got to it yet, and I should, because Woods is one of my alts, and you have Bon Prim, Tin, and Yang Yang kind of in one. So I'm kind of, I kind of want to watch it. I haven't got to it yet. And I heard, like, the moments between Woods and Tin was just so cute. Okay. Gotta scoot this over. So I'm going to layer my washi tapes. I actually did this for my 4th of July spread. I layered the blue and the red washi at the bottom. But I figured because you have 2 blue and red teams, so Prim and Yang Yang were on a team. Bon and Yang Yang were the blue team, red team. Woods and Prim were on a team. And then 10 was the host. I can't remember what Janice did. So we're going to get our little, I'm going to put this here, our blue squares. I think we're going to put some on this bottom corner. And I kind of want to do some food stickers. Because they had kind of like food truck style food. So I'm going to get into my food stickers. And we're going to place them. I think we're going to use French fries. Not really food truck, but it screams food truck to me. So does the pretzel. And then I don't think the bubble teas will work. But I have a burger, but that has a face on it. So let's see what else we got. We've got pizza, some tacos. Let's see. A hamburger. Do a hamburger, tacos, and then we'll find some kind of noodles, maybe. A burrito. We look for some noodles. A lot of sushi, but no noodles. Oh, here's some noodles. Okay. So what I'm going to do, if you guys watched my Ken Porsche video for Ken Porsche, I kind of cut the white edges off so it's not as cartoony-ish. So we're going to trim the white edges off. As best as I can. Okay. And I will probably overlay the washi tape, but that's okay since we double layered our washi tape. I usually get stuff from food trucks when we go to carnivals and stuff. You know what I always get? I always get a funnel cake. I guess that's an American thing, but I always have a funnel cake. I like funnel cake and french fries. So when we went to the Halloween parade, there was actually food trucks. So I got a funnel cake and some fries. It was good. When I went to the circus with the boys, I got nachos. And I don't recommend the nachos. It's like cheese and stuff. It's not as good. And it's not even the spicy cheese. Okay. Is my burger gonna be too big? Can I like plop it here and then trim the burger? That's what we're gonna do. There we go. So it's like a half burger. A half burger. I don't think we're going to have room for our tacos, but that's okay. We got a burrito and we got the noodles. So that is it for our food truck battle video. I actually like it with the food and stuff. It's not like, so that's it with the food truck video. And I actually am excited to watch the video. So, or watch food truck battle and expect a food truck battle video spread in October when the show starts. Okay, and our final spread is for Z's birthday. He did a birthday concert on his birthday, just like Nunu did, but Nunu's fell on a weekday. Z's fell on the weekend. I originally was going to use red and blue for his, but I actually am going to use a gold if I have gold. I do have gold. So this is going to be a double spread. So I did pull out for him these gold stickers, but I have this gold washi, which is plain, and then I found this one I haven't used yet, like a patterned gold. So let us see. So this is what we're working with. So for Z, we not only have his concert, but his 30th birthday is the same day. So I have to kind of put a little birthday in there. So we have this one of him and Nunu, another one of him and Nunu. I think this one I'm going to put at the bottom for his happy birthday. We have this one, this one, this one. And unlike the Ken Porsche one, I don't actually know what order this one goes into because I haven't seen this concert. So we're going to go with the flow, I guess you could say. Okay. So let's take our sticky notes off first before I end up chopping the sticky notes off again. I love the sound of the peel. Okay. So first order of business is to go up here and date it. Oh, my back is protesting. And then I'm going to put the line, and then we're going to put the Z-Me show. Okay. And then I think I'm going to, do I have a small, like a golden, put that there. Okay. Ooh, I just scratched my sticker, but that's okay. Okay. How am I going to do this? I usually work from the top to the bottom. I think we'll do these three last. Okay. This one. Okay. 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 And again, just like some spreads that have multiple photos, I probably won't use all the photos. I'm trying to restrict this one to 2 pages, unlike the Ken Porsche one that had 4 pages. But there was so much in the Ken Porsche one. Okay. Okay. Sing, sing, sing. The clips I saw from this video, this concert, though, I was like, holy Z, you know? Okay, I need one for here. Do I have one that'll be... I'll do this one. Okay. And I gotta trim it a little. Okay. Okay, this one needs to be... Okay. Where's my gold stickers? And my tweezers. Okay. So then we move on to this page. I'm going to try... So I think what I'm going to do is do the Nunu and Z ones and his birthday ones on this page. So I'm going to leave these here. So these three are going to be some extra ones that I might use at a later date. And I hear my 2-year-old is awake. So I'm going to finish this and then I'm going to go give my baby some love. He woke up from a nap and I don't think his TV's running right this minute. So I'm going to do this one first. No, this one first. I can hear him through the wall. And the reason, if you do hear him, he's not crying. He's just voicing his anger because his TV isn't going. And he's gotten himself behind his bed. Okay, so we're going to do this. And then we're going to do... If you can hear him through the wall, he's just voicing his anger. His TV not going, and he is a very upset boy. Let's put them there. Okay. And then we're going to put the gold, plain gold washi tape kind of here. In, like, not cut it off, but like, because I don't go all the way across, like just there. I need to put this here. And then we're going to do this photo of the Nunu hugging. We're going to put it right here. And then I'm going to put it right here. Where's my thing? First, I'm going to put this washi tape underneath. Ugh. Okay. So then I'm going to take this. And these washi tapes, they got backings. So it takes me a hot minute. Okay, so just gonna go like this, put this one down here. Okay, and we're gonna put, now he's getting mad. I'm gonna roll the washi tape back up, because if not, it's just gonna be, oh, line of washi tape. I like these gold ones though, because it's like gold on clear. Roll in the washi tape. Roll in the washi tape. Okay. He's not a happy baby. I didn't even realize the TV kicked off. Okay. Then we're going to put Happy Birthday Z here. I'm going to put 30 here. Yep. And then we're going to put some accented silver stickers. And I stabbed myself with the marker. That was fun. I kind of like, I forgot I owned these geometric like stickers, and it's kind of fun to use them for spreads. They kind of fill in like gaps, and they're really pretty. They're pretty, so why not? You know? Why not? And then we're going to put, these are like, I don't think you could use these, but I like to use them because they're like black with the gold. And then you could just use the middle piece and go like this. And then connect them by this piece over the top. Sometimes I like to connect the pieces so they're not like open air. And I have these little red ones, so I kind of want to put some red diamonds because he's got some red gloves on and he's sporting red accents. So put some red down. This isn't as good of a red as the other reds, but I think I prefer the gold over the red, to be honest. But okay, and that is the end of the Z spread. So you have the concert kind of spread, and then you have him and Nunu for his concert, and then his happy birthday spread. So that's it, everybody. And that's the end of our spreads. So we did 4 this time. We did the Us birthday, and we did the food truck battle, and we did the Z Me concert and Z's birthday. So let me know in the comments which one was your favorite spread. And next time we do a video, it's going to be a 1 spread video. So it's going to be a shorter video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.